everybody, here we are with another diecast video. So, here is my newest model. Another Japanese car. I got the facelifted Acura NSX from, well, 2002 to 2005 essentially. I wanted it in blue, but there weren't any for sale in blue. There was only the yellow, and so yeah, I just kind of took yellow. This is the second Japanese car that I have in my collection, along with the LFA. I will be getting a 2017 version of this sometime. I don't know when, but I will. So yeah, let's open her up. I don't know what these are for. Okay, here it is. Yellow with a black interior. I mean, it's nothing special, but, and it's Maisto, or sorry, Motormax, which is basically the same as Maisto. So it's not like world-class quality, but it's also not bad quality. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I like it. So let's get her open. Oh, and I bought this model off of Amazon for around, including shipping, I think it was around $35, which is about average for the 2002 NSX. So yeah, if you do want to get one, you can buy them on Amazon or eBay for around $35 with shipping, which is not a whole hell of a lot for a model. You do get what you pay for, so like I said, it's not like a world-class model, but it's actually not bad. So if you like the NSX, you should get one. Almost got this last screw. There we go. No? Oh, I didn't get it all the way. There we go. Alright. Make sure you save all the screws. Put everything back in the box, so you have it all together in case you decide to sell it in the future. Done. Alright. So now we gotta remove this film that's on here. Which is usually pretty easy. There we go. And then they have another one back here. Easy enough. And then they have another one on the front, which, again, easy enough. So that's taken care of. I'm gonna have to dust it off a little bit, but here we are. So yellow, it's got the facelifted headlights because it's the 2002 version. It's the NA2, whatever. It's got opening doors. Has an opening boot like that. I'm not sure if the engine, oh it does. So the front thing opens as well. So there you go. That's all opened up. The paintwork is actually not bad. This is only my second yellow car along with the Enzo, so I guess it's not bad that I got it in yellow because I do need some more yellow cars. But yeah, wheels are in good shape. Interior, I don't know if I'll be able to show you that well, but I mean, it's just black. I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, probably not. It's just black. It's nothing special. So there's the back. I think they did pretty good. I mean, it's pretty realistic. It is metal. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. I'm happy I bought it. So yeah, I'll have to clean it off a little bit, but there you go. So let's put it in the shelf, and then that'll be it. Alright, so I put it in here at the bottom, mainly because it's the only open spot I have left for now. But I put it in with the two concept cars. I might move it around a little bit, I don't know yet, but here she is for now. Newest car in the garage. 2002, well, whatever. NA2 Acura NSX in yellow. Yeah. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I like it. And then, yeah. Rest of the collection that you guys know a lot, because I show you in every new video. But yeah, in case you forgot, Ford GT, Viper, Saline, Centenario, LFA, Chiron, Enzo, my only other yellow car, F1 XJ220. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.